Welcome to Financial Freedom Starts Now with your host, Mel Waller. Just a brief introduction. We are going to be relaunching Financial Freedom Starts Now. We had deleted most of our videos before, but we're getting ready to launch this and our YouTube channel Get Published Forever, which will cover all aspects of publishing books and ebooks. Financial Freedom Starts Now will cover all aspects of financial freedom, whether it's the publishing, affiliate marketing, real estate, whatever, you name it, we're going to get to it. And then we do have a third channel, which is just Melvin H Waller, which is more of a personal one for to record videos and do things for my family and for them to have that as a legacy, should I ever leave this earth. So I'm excited to get started here again. I think YouTube channels, videos are the way to go. I know a lot of people still make money on websites, and that's fine. But videos, I think we have just such a far greater reach. People are searching YouTube for just about everything, and so it's the way to go. So it's the way I'm going to go. I eventually plan on monetizing both my channels. Currently I've got the subscribers for both. I've just got to get the the views and the watch hours back up again, and that's not going to be a problem. So I've ordered a new Yeti microphone, which was recommended by a few people, including a business owner who uses it for all of his video programming on his site. So I should receive that within the next week. I'm going to get that. I might even do a review on it here. And but I'm going to get set up so I've got real clear audio. That's been a problem in the past. So I wanted to do that. One of the first things I wanted to do. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I look forward to working with you in any way that I can. And I really would like to, everybody should be financially free in one way, shape, or another. With the information that's available, whether it's your search engine, Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, we've got AI, artificial intelligence now, which you can ask and gain information about anything. There's no reason why people can't get involved and find ways to earn income, to even earn passive income, and be successful. Yes, it takes hard work in the beginning, but after you build it up and get it going, it just goes from there. I live on passive income. I've been living on passive income for the last 10 years. I do not have a regular job. Sometimes I don't work at all. The money keeps coming. So I want to share that with people and help educate people because it's important. It's important. Okay. Thank you very much. To our success, this is Mel Waller signing off.